Let's collect your stool sample for your gut microbiome test. Wash your hands, prep a tidy space, and you're good to go. Open the kit and lay everything out. Mask, gloves, collection sheet, and the return bag. Put on the gloves. The mask is optional if you prefer an extra layer of hygiene. Lift the toilet seat and place the collection sheet toward the back of the bowl. Press gently in the center to form a shallow dip and make sure the sheet doesn't touch the bottom of the bowl. Pass stool onto the sheet. Keep the sample away from urine and toilet water. Contamination can affect accuracy. Open the collection tube. Using the built-in scoop and collect sample by scooping a few different areas, including the inside, not just the surface. Seal the tube tightly, then shake it a couple of times to mix the sample with the stabilizer. Place the tube back in the box. Keep your gloves on, tear the sheet along the perforations on both ends, and flush it away. Discard the mask and gloves once you're out of the washroom. Place boxed sample into the return bag. Your sample is stable at room temperature. Store it somewhere cool and dry, away from direct sunlight. When you're ready, call us to schedule pickup. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Kudos for taking the first step towards a healthy gut.